Solar PV systems, like many external electrical systems installed in outdoor environments, face constant threats from transient surges and direct lightning strikes. To avoid equipment damage and system downtime, surge protectors should be installed at key points in the photovoltaic system. FLP-PVG is a high-performance monobloc combined surge protector designed for DC 1000V and 1500V photovoltaic systems. FLP-PVG series DC surge protector uses high-quality varistors and gas discharge tubes, usually installed at the entrance of the main photovoltaic combiner box. It can effectively discharges surge currents of 10/350 microseconds and 8/20 microseconds waveforms generated by lightning strikes, with a maximum withstand current of 6.25 kiloamperes, 10/350 microseconds. Its compact monobloc design supports DIN rail installation, saving space, and is equipped with remote alarm contacts, temperature monitoring protective components, and failure indication functions. The maximum continuous working voltage of the FLP-PVG series DC surge protector can reach 1500 volts DC, and it also supports common mode and differential mode protection, making it very suitable for applications with high risk of direct lightning strikes. The FLP-PVG series DC surge protector is especially suitable for photovoltaic systems such as ground-mounted systems, rooftop arrays, and floating systems, providing reliable protection for photovoltaic inverters, combiner boxes, and PV modules to protect key components from lightning strikes and surge damage. The key point is that the investment cost of DC surge protectors is very low, but it can provide reliable protection for the entire system, ensuring the safety, stability, and continuous operation of solar energy investments. LSP, reliability in surge protection.